Hello, hi everyone. I'm here at ACC Conference Men's Golf Championships at Olde Stone in Kentucky, Bowling Green, Kentucky. So this is one of the great golf course that play many tour championships. It's an old course, and of course, it's a long golf course and very hilly. But if you look behind me, ACC has added 3 additional members. They welcome UC Berkeley, which is Cal logos in the top, Stanford, okay, and also Mustang. You see the logo Mustang there is SMU from Dallas, Texas. So 3 additional new ACC school. It's going to be a great competition. It's very competitive. ACC last year, it's actually 4 out of 8 team that went to match play at national level from ACC. Of course, Florida State won the tournament. It's also ACC. So this is a great, very competitive program for men's golf. And great academic school as well. You see Wake Forest, you see Duke, you see UNC, UC of Virginia, which is both George and Josh, my son, playing for. A great academic school, Georgia Tech, and many others. So again, this week's gonna be very excited time. So they're gonna play stroke play for 3 days, and also match play this year for the first time that they are gonna be going up for 8 team rather than 4 team last year, so match play. And then after this one, they're gonna play regional, and of course it's a national championships. Go back to San Diego again this year. It's gonna be a great week, and I will be reporting from ACC Conference Championship.